Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. From a lifeless plastic blank to a finished water bottle, all in one click. A short but incredibly powerful process. Flower coating on a semi-automatic machine may seem like a routine task, but these flower coating heroes turn every piece of bread into a perfect masterpiece. Say goodbye to tiring sweeping. This blower cleans so fast you might actually enjoy tidying up daily. A seemingly ordinary construction equipment, but it is a testament to outstanding creativity. You will understand that when you see it in action. Imagine cutting a tree branch from a distance without touching it. That's what laser technology brings. Precise, safe, and extremely efficient. Here you will see why Makita is always trusted. This steel lashing tool operates smoothly and is surprisingly accurate. The union of a skilled operator and a powerful machine sets a new standard for precision. Every part looks molded to perfection thanks to their perfect sync. No more hassle when machining metal edges. This machine handles the entire process smoothly, saving you time and achieving a high finish. This tool significantly reduces the stress on your arms when working at height, especially when using a drywall sander. A perfect combination for maximum performance. Nothing can stop you when you have this drill. Whether it is wood, metal, or concrete, it can handle it easily. It is the ideal choice for all emergencies and tough jobs. No need for a fishing rod, just a compact trap like this, and you can enjoy the joy of modern fishing. Removing fish scales is no longer a nightmare. With this tool, you will find it surprisingly quick and enjoyable. If you're watching this video on your television, a tap on your phone to subscribe to our channel will keep you up to date with all our latest content. From stripping old carpet to installing new, it's easy when you have the right tools. Let technology save you time and effort. No more struggling to ear tag cattle. With modern equipment, the job is smoother, more precise, and less stressful for both humans and animals. This is a picture of 880 CFM. Yes, you heard that right. This is twice the power of many battery-powered handheld blowers on the market. It takes just seconds to transform a fresh pomegranate into a cool glass of juice. This machine is like a modern miracle. A simple yet effective solution. Cables are no longer a hazard thanks to this super convenient self-retracting tool. I bet you'll ditch the knife after trying these smart scissors for cutting herbs. Fast, convenient, and non-sticky.
Em ơi, nhà còn đúng 2 cộng sản này thì nên nấu gì bây giờ?
You can print complex patterns on any surface in seconds. Smart technology helps turn any creative idea into reality. The process of creating metal cake molds is amazing. The machine cuts, presses, and shapes each piece as if it were aerospace technology. Laser tube cutting is the process and technique used to cut tubes. It is a precision cutting technique. It can also be used on a wide variety of materials of all shapes and sizes. At the touch of a button, Bosch turns any drilling job into an art form. The power and precision will leave you wanting for no other tool. With smart design and high mobility, these shelves make you want to organize everything every day. Work more efficiently, feel more happy. It may look old, but don't underestimate it. This tool sorts fruit by size quickly and accurately. No more struggling with machetes or scissors. This machine makes clearing a breeze. A small accessory, but helps the car interior become more tidy than ever. It keeps items fixed, not shifting when the car moves. Minimalist design, but makes a clear difference. The first impression always comes from cleanliness. With this useful device, you will always be ready to welcome customers perfectly. No need to reach, no need to climb. This smart step makes it easy to reach the roof of your car even if you are short. Even if you are carrying a heavy suitcase, you can still operate it easily. Car feels like an oven in the summer? This smart shade will block the sun, reduce heat, and keep your steering wheel cool every time you use it. Don't let dust discourage you from drilling into your ceiling. This tool is here to help you do just that. With just a little creativity, you can turn a small box into a mini fridge, making your picnic cooler and more enjoyable than ever. Screwing into hard surfaces is no longer something reserved for skilled craftsmen, as anyone can now do it with this powerful tool. This tool speaks for itself with its effectiveness. Are you impressed? Feel free to leave a comment. Although it looks a bit odd, this mini umbrella is extremely useful when you use your phone outdoors in the hot sun. This tool cuts so fast and evenly that you will forget about the knife, feeling like you are preparing food in a professional restaurant. Smart solution for assembly. No battery, no effort, yet extremely efficient. No more worrying about doors closing by themselves or damaging walls. This convenient door holder will make you forget about the little annoyances of everyday life. When art meets engineering, even metal shavings can take on an unimaginable beauty. Ever wondered how people make chain link fences? This footage will leave you amazed. With Bosch, even heavy work like mixing mortar becomes surprisingly smooth, so fast you'll think you're competing. Don't let the bushes block your world. This tool handles it like a game of reverse pickaxe. Who wants to use an old hammer anymore after seeing this? If you find it more convenient, give it a like. You wouldn't believe how smooth and even the brick making can be. Every brick is cut out like an industrial cake. This clever tool is so comfortable and effective that you'll want it in your toolbox at all times. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.